3 years ago, Justin Lansford couldn't even walk. But today, with the help of his service dog, he's going to college at the University of South Florida.
Physically, he can brace for me to get on and off the ground. He can retrieve items that I drop.
In 2012, the staff sergeant lost his leg in an IED explosion in Afghanistan.
My back was broken. I had burns to my hand. My spleen was ruptured. Both my lungs collapsed.
At the time, simple things were almost impossible, which is when the Warrior Canine Connection gave him Gabe.
I kind of cherished and celebrated the little milestones. So being able to put my own sock on and being able to wiggle my toes and being able to walk on a walker.
Each step, the golden retriever right by him. So naturally, when he proposed to his high school sweetheart on Veterans Day with Gabe's help, making him his best man seemed right too.
And there was really no thought to having him as my best man. It was just what he was going to do.
On Saturday, the service dog wearing Lansford's medals and badges sat by his side, calming him as his bride walked down the aisle at Bayou Country Club in Largo.
I think walking down the aisle, she was looking at him more than me, maybe. She was ecstatic to see him there.
It's a decision the veteran says his best friend couldn't deserve more.
He deserves the attention. He works hard.
For the Now, I'm Christy Post.